Check this out. We are lit. LED indicators, LED lights, killer. The 80s back in town, baby. Autolex CQ. Have a look at it. LED tail lights. It is killer. Loves it all day. If you love an 80, get a goose. Smoking hot. Look at the arse end on that. Toyota Pawn. This is killer. What a mod. Maddie and the team there at Yapoon, if you're ever in this area, go and see them legends. Done all the auto electrician on this truck. They are rock stars. Rock stars. Look at that. Got the little daytime running lights. Everything killer. Look at that for a dash. No gauges. Ooh, look at that Hema. That's not working real well. There you go. Oh, hang on. I'll turn the... Got me spotties. Look at them. Here's spotties from bloody Super Cheap. Killing it. Super Cheap Auto. 100 something bucks. Get on it. Look at this. Bloody hell. More lights than the bloody one of the big buildings in Rockhampton. She's flash. Alright, thought I'd give you a look. Got too excited. Loves it. All day. The 80 lit up. Hang on, gotta make sure I turn everything off. Be flat. Alrighty, there she is. 80 series. Oh, melting. Melt, melt, melt. So, hope you all like that. Looking at the 80, just absolutely killing it. Tough enough for cruising. Yeehaw, baby. Get on those LED lights. We're rolling. We'll be able to serve a night. All right, chowdy bye.